Good morning, children. I hope you all are of good of health. In today's session, we'll cover some NCERT problems based on the activation energy, that is on the Arrhenius concept. Let us start that. What we will take? We will take some NCERT problems. We'll take some NCERT problems based on Arrhenius equation. Let us start. If we look at the question number 4.23, it says that the rate of decomposition of hydrocarbon is 2.418 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse at 546 Kelvin. If the energy of activation is 179.9 kilojoules per mole, what will be the value of pre-exponential factor? ठीक है ना? Okay. So pre-exponential factor is to be calculated. Pre-exponential factor. I think we all are coming to the solution. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the A over here. So children, Arrhenius equation says that the K is equal to what? A e to the power minus E over RT. If we take a natural log of it, it is ln K ln A minus E over RT. If we convert it into the if we convert the natural log into the log to the base 10, it can be written as log K is equal to log A minus E over RT. Clear to all you? Now what we have to do? We have to just put the values of the K and E over here, and also we have the value of temperature. Temperature is given to us, that is minus 546 Kelvin. EA is 179.9 kilojoules per mole. It should be converted to joules because the value of R is taken in the joules. The equation can be written as log A is equal to log K plus E over 2.303 RT. You people are getting it. From here, where 2.303 is coming? Because natural log is converted into log to the base 10. Now we put the values of K, EA and T. We can easily calculate the value of A. Log A can be calculated by taking the antilog of that. When we put the values of all log values, when we put all the log values, the A can be calculated by taking the antilog of this value, that is 12.515917. The pre-exponential factor comes, that is A comes to the A 3.9 into A is equal to 3.9 into 10 to the power 12 second inverse approximately. The answer may be somewhat different from the answer given in the NCERT, but it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't taken into the account. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Our next question is again from the NCERT, that is question number 4.28. The decomposition of A into the product has the value K as 4.5 into 10 to the power 3 second inverse at 10 degrees Celsius. The energy of activation is 60 kilojoules per mole. At what temperature would it would be K as 1.5 into 10 to the power 4. Now we have to calculate the value of T, and we are given the value of K at two different temperatures. From Arrhenius equation, we can write the values of equations like these. From Arrhenius equation, we can write as log K2 upon K1 is equal to EA over 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 minus T2. From here, कहाँ से आई ये value? It can be seen as the log K is equal to what? Log K. अभी देख सकते हैं हम Arrhenius equation को ही convert करके. Log K is equal to what? Log A minus log A 10 to the base पे चलेंगे minus EA over 2.303 RT. RT. Since A is constant for particular equation, Arrhenius Arrhenius constant, K is written as to K1 and T is to be T1. What we will do, we will take the K1 and K2 two values for the two different temperature. Log K2, it can be written as the log K2. Similarly, for log A minus A over 2.303 RT2, when we divide these two equations, we will come to this result, that is EA over 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. Now it is easy. We can put the values of different variables which is given to us. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate just the T2. All the values we have. T1 have, TA have, K1 and K2 at two temperatures we have. Now we'll put all these values and can easily calculate the value of T2 from here. I don't think you have any problem in calculating all these two. The similar questions are also given in the NCERT, which you have to solve. All the questions are very important because the numerical related to this concept may be asked in the question paper. So your half yearlies or the term one are the assertion, reasoning and case study questions. So these type of questions or numericals can be asked in objective also, where we have to calculate the value of T1, T2 or any other